So, ganito pag, what I do here is, gumawa ako ng sample workflows you can follow. So, gumawa ako sample workflow yung updating workflow. So, pag kinlik mo itong workflow na to, you can see two. Yung email 1 and email 2. So, in our case, so kailangan natin update yung email 2. So, if you go here, makikita mo yung content niya. So, pag edit, makikita mo dito yung canned emails niya. Ito lang, di ba? Yung first email, and then yung second email. Plain lang ganito. So, let's say kailangan natin update yung second email. Yung body niya. So, what we do first is update yung canned emails, di ba? So, we go templates, canned emails, and then we will update the email 2. Then from here, we can add something. This is updated email 2. Yan. Or yung link, di ba? We go from here and we update the link. Let's say button. Link. And then i-update na link na lang. Let's say google.com. So, connected. So, insert. And then what we do is save and close. So, pag connect mo dito, when you check from here, you will see the updated email and the link. But if you go to the workflow, so let's just refresh this page using workflow. So, if we go from here, if we click on edit, so hindi siya naka-update. So, what we do here is we go to the workflow and then we select again the canned email. So, this one is what in this case, email to, diba? Ayan, meron siyang link. And then you just click apply. And then, don't forget to click update project workflows. Ayan. So, para ma-apply siya sa lahat ng workflow. So, pag click mo dito, makikita mo sino gumagamit ng workflow. So, currently wala pa. Pero pag in-apply natin to sa isang project, so go to one project. Yan, apply natin yung something like, okay, yung update yung workflow. So, apply. Yep. So, I valid that. So, kasi wala na akong wala na akong rate. And then, yeah. So, yun dito, pag pinlik mo dito, update workflows, kailangan mo i-click na update workflows para ma-update siya sa mga workflow. Tapos, pag bigyan yung workflow, makikita mo saan siya affected. So, pag di mo kasi na-update yung update workflows, dito lang yung sa workflow na attach sa bawat project, hindi siya mag-update. So, pag in-update ito, yung workflow, pag pumunta sa per project, as in-edit yung email, nakita man dito updated email. So, yun yung kahalagahan ng button na update project workflows. So, actually, ganun lang. After you update the canned emails, go to the workflow, click mo edit, and then select applicable canned emails, the updated canned emails. So, para mag-update siya, and then apply. And then, click on the update workflows. So, ganun lang. Para mag-update siya sa workflow. If you have any question, just let me know. Hindi pa rin ako makapag-login sa tab sa Yun yung issue eh. Sige, thanks.